Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to send music and Instagram direct messages on your iPhone or Android. It's a fun way to share your favorite songs without leaving the Instagram app. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Once Instagram is updated, open the app. Tap the messages icon in the top right corner to open your DMs. Now open the conversation with the person you want to send a song to. Next, tap the sticker icon next to the message box. From the available options, tap Music. The Instagram music library will open. Use the search bar to find the song you want to share. Once you've found it, tap on the song. Instagram will automatically create a music card with the album artwork and a preview of the track. Finally, tap Send to share the song in your conversation. The other person can tap the music card to listen to the preview directly inside Instagram. And that's it.